Registered Electrical Engineering Board Exam Reviewer. Electrical Engineering Multiple Choice Questions and Answers, 50 items, Part 26. Instructions. Read the questions carefully and select the correct answer from the choices. Test yourself. Good luck. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Self-Review PH. Prepared by Engineer June. Question number 1. How do you call a small variable shunt connected across the series field coils to permit adjustment of the degree of compounding? A. Potentiometer. B. Diverter. C. Rheostat. D. Variac. The correct answer is letter B. Diverter. Question number 2. This term means that the motor will stop when there is a supply voltage failure and the motor will restart automatically when the supply voltage restored. A. No voltage release. B. No voltage protection. C. No voltage control. D. None of these. The correct answer is letter A. No voltage release. Question number 3. An instrument used to measure the intensity of a light source. A. Illumination meter. B. Benson photometer. C. Signometer. D. Candle meter. The correct answer is letter A. Illumination meter. Question number 4. Cells are connected in blank when high voltage, as well as high current is desired. A. Series. B. Parallel. C. Series parallel. D. None of these. The correct answer is letter C. Series parallel. Question number 5. Split-phase motors are all noisy because they vibrate at a frequency, blank the operating frequency. A. Equal to. B. Twice. C. Thrice. D. Less than. The correct answer is letter B. Twice. Question number 6. Which of the following works only with DC supply? A. Vacuum cleaner. B. Electroplating. C. Electric stove. D. Universal motor. The correct answer is letter B. Electroplating. Question number 7. The approximate power factor of an incandescent lamp is A. 1.0, B. 0.8, C. 0.9, D. 0.7. The correct answer is letter A. 1.0. Question number 8. The ratio of lumens reaching the work plane divided by the total lumens generated by the light is A. Room ratio. B. Coefficient of utilization. C. Illumination factor. D. Maintenance factor. The correct answer is letter B, coefficient of utilization. Question number 9. Which DC motor is suitable to drive elevators? A. Series motor. B. Shunt motor. C. Differential compound motor. D. Cumulative compound motor. The correct answer is letter D, cumulative compound motor. Question number 10. If the setting of the overcurrent device in a circuit ahead of the equipment is 60 amperes, the minimum equipment grounding conductor using copper shall be A. 5.5 mm squared, B. 3.5 mm squared, C. 2.0 mm squared, D. 8.0 mm squared. The correct answer is letter A, 5.5 mm squared. Question number 11. Which of the following method is used to test or troubleshoot a capacitor? A. Resistance measurement. B. Spark test. C. Bridging. D. All of these. The correct answer is letter D, all of these. Question number 12. Reconnection by the supplier of electrical energy in cases where service has been cut off due to non-payment of bills shall not require a new certificate of inspection provided that period of cut-off is not more than blank. A. 1.5 years. B. 2 years. C. Half a year. D. 1 year. The correct answer is letter D, 1 year. Question number 13. The internal resistance of a discharge battery. A. Is less. B. Remains the same. C. Is more. D. Is negative. The correct answer is letter C, is more. Question number 14. Which of the following DC motors has the best speed regulation? A. Series motors. B. Shunt motors. C. Cumulative compound motors. D. Differential compound motors. The correct answer is letter B, shunt motors. Question number 15. The PEC permits blank 90-degree bends in a single conduit run. A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. The correct answer is letter D, 4. Question number 16. For dwelling units, the demand factor for the first 3000 volt amperes of load is A. 95%, B. 85%, C. 100%, D. 80%. The correct answer is letter C, 100%. Question number 17. According to the code, the minimum insulation level for neutral conductor of residential installation which have solidly grounded system shall be blank. A. 300 volts. B. 600 volts, C. 750 volts, D. 1000 volts. The correct answer is letter A. 300 volts. Question number 18. Commercially used in insulating magnet wire due to lowest in cost and best in space factor. A. Rubber. B. Ascarel. C. Polyvinyl chloride. D. Enamel. The correct answer is letter D. Enamel. Question number 19. Snap switches shall not be grouped or ganged in enclosures unless they can be so arranged that the voltage between adjacent switches does not exceed A. 250 volts, B. 300 volts, C. 150 volts, D. 100 volts. The correct answer is letter B. 300 volts. Question number 20. The disconnecting means for motor circuits rated up to 600 volts shall have an ampere rating at least blank percent of the full load current of the motor. A. 200, B. 115, C. 150, D. 125. The correct answer is letter B. 115%. Question number 21. Which type of bearing is provided in small induction motors to support the rotor shaft? A. Cast iron bearing, B. Ball bearing, C. Bush bearing, D. None of these. The correct answer is letter B. Ball bearing. Question number 22. A combination of the arc discharge characteristics of a fluorescent lamp and the compact focusable shape of an incandescent lamp. A. Sodium lamp, B. Quartz lamp, C. Mercury lamp, D. Tungsten halogen lamp. The correct answer is letter C. Mercury lamp. Question number 23. If a single-phase induction motor runs slower than normal, the more likely defect is A. Improper fuses, B. Shorted running windings, C. Open starting winding, D. Worn bearings. The correct answer is letter D. Worn bearings. Question number 24. Any waterborne unit, which is designed and built to have an electric plant. A. Water vessel, B. Watercraft, C. Motor vessel, D. None of these. The correct answer is letter B. Watercraft. Question number 25. A power factor meter will show relationship between A. True power and reactive power, B. Ohms and volts, C. Volts and amperes, D. Watts and volt amperes. The correct answer is letter D, watts and volt amperes. Question number 26. The safety factor in using a double pole switch is the fact that blank. A. It can be used on any voltage. B. Both line wires are dead when the switch is turned off. C. It can be replaced easily. D. It will stand greater loads. The correct answer is letter B. Both line wires are dead when the switch is turned off. Question number 27. What is the maximum allowable voltage drop from the distribution panel to the farthest load? A. 10%. B. 5%. C. 3%. D. 2%. The correct answer is letter B, 5%. Question number 28. Where receptacles are connected to a 30 ampere branch circuit, the maximum allowable cord and plug connected load shall not be more than A. 30 amperes, B. 24 amperes, C. 16 amperes, D. 20 amperes. The correct answer is letter B, 24 amperes. Question number 29. Power plant using coal, work closely on which of the following cycle? A. Rankine cycle, B. Brayton cycle, C. Otto cycle, D. Binary vapor cycle. The correct answer is letter A, Rankine cycle. Question number 30. The purpose of equalizing bars on a DC generator is to equalize which of the following? A. Speed, B. Series field current, C. Load, D. Shunt field current. The correct answer is letter B, series field current. Question number 31. Ferroresonance is a condition that may occur on A. Transmission line, B. Capacitor, C. Distribution line, D. Transformer. The correct answer is letter C, distribution line. Question number 32. Lap windings in DC generators are used for blank applications. A. Low voltage, low current, B. Low voltage, high current, C. High voltage, high current, D. High voltage, low current. The correct answer is letter B, low voltage, high current. Question number 33. What is the angular velocity for a 25 cycle circuit? A. 3.1416 radians per second, B. 157 radians per second, C. 377 radians per second, D. 314 radians per second. The correct answer is letter B, 157 radians per second. Question number 34. A term universally employed to measure wire diameters. A. Millimeter. B. Circular mil. C. Meter. D. Mil. The correct answer is letter D. Mil. Question number 35. Start delta starting of motors is not possible in which of the following? A. High-speed motors. B. Variable speed motors. C. Single-phase motors. D. Low-horsepower motors. The correct answer is letter C. Single-phase motors. Question number 36. The grounded conductor of type flat conductor cable shall be identified by means of a distinctive and durable white or blank marking. A. Green. B. Natural gray. C. Brown. D. Yellow stripe. The correct answer is letter B. Natural gray. Question number 37. Under RA 7920, the Board of Electrical Engineering is composed of how many examiners? A. 5. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. The correct answer is letter C. 3. Question number 38. Current measuring instruments must be connected. A. In series with the circuit. B. In parallel with the circuit. C. In series parallel connection. D. Depending on magnitude of current to be measured. The correct answer is letter A. In series with the circuit. Question number 39. This is the greatest effective difference of potential that exists between any two conductors of a circuit. A. Current. B. Resistor. C. Power. D. Voltage. The correct answer is letter D. Voltage. Question number 40. Ratio of the maximum demand of a system or part of a system to the total connected load of a system or the part of the system under consideration. A. Power factor. B. Utilization factor. C. Capacity factor. D. Demand factor. The correct answer is letter D. Demand factor. Question number 41. The device includes any switch or device used to start and stop the motor. A. Rheostat. B. Thermostat. C. Controller. D. Relay. The correct answer is letter C. Controller. Question number 42. In order to be able to calculate the amount of current through a resistor by Ohm's law, it is necessary for that resistor to be what type? A. Linear. B. Non-linear. C. Unilateral. D. Logarithmic. The correct answer is letter A. Linear. Question number 43. Emergency power panel conductors supplying a building are tapped on blank. A. The line side of the service. B. Any subfed panel. C. Any circuit breaker main. D. Any feeder circuit. The correct answer is letter A, the line side of the service. Question number 44. The terminal voltage of this DC generator varies widely when a change in loads occurs. Which one is this? A. Series. B. Shunt. C. Long shunt compound. D. Short shunt compound. The correct answer is letter A, series. Question number 45. Transformers rated over 600 volts and installed in supervised locations are protected by circuit breakers on the primary side and cannot exceed blank of the primary full load current. A. 600%. B. 500%. C. 300%. D. 700%. The correct answer is letter A, 600%. Question number 46. Outlet boxes are not required to have covers to prevent the escape of blank. A. Odor and heat. B. Dust and moist. C. Arcs and sparks. D. None of these. The correct answer is letter C, arcs and sparks. Question number 47. The common use for autotransformers in electrical power work is as A. Current limiting reactor. B. Instrument current transformer. C. Starting compensators for motor. D. Insulating transformer. The correct answer is letter C, starting compensators for motor. Question number 48. Another name for a plugging switch. A. Centrifugal switch. B. Zero-speed switch. C. Brake-make switch. D. Rocker switch. The correct answer is letter B, zero-speed switch. Question number 49. Coils placed at the neutral point midway between the main poles of a DC machine. A. Interpole windings. B. Compensating windings. C. Equalizer windings. D. Damper windings. The correct answer is letter A, interpole windings. Question number 50. A synchronous motor is generally used in applications requiring blank. A. Variable speed. B. Frequent stopping. C. Occasional starting. D. Facilitate the transmission of energy. The correct answer is letter C, occasional starting.